Hey, so if you want to create eye-catching promotional videos without spending hours editing, you can actually do it pretty easily with Dola AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, look for the video generator or marketing video tool. That's where you'll create your promo video. Now, pick a template that fits your promotion. You'll usually find options for products, services, or social media ads. Next, replace the default content with your own. Add your product name, features, or key message. You can also upload images or short clips to make it more personal. Then, customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. This helps your video look more professional. Now you can add a voiceover using the AI voice tool, or include background music for better impact. Once everything looks good, preview your video. Then export it in your preferred format. So yeah, that's how you can make promotional videos using Dola AI. It's quick, simple, and honestly saves a lot of time. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI guides like this. Thanks for watching.